Yes guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and refit a side mirror glass on almost any car out there. Now, I did do a video on this a couple of years ago on a Mark 7 Golf, because the glass is always known to fall off because people leave the heated wing mirror on all the time, and that is the most viewed video. So I thought I'm going to make one generalized, and you can literally do this for any car. So we're going to be using this Golf 55 plate Golf as a demonstration car, and we'll use a driver's side wing mirror glass to show you guys how it's done. Now, your wing mirror glass, don't matter which car you have, will be held on by a circular clip. So it's a circular piece of plastic that has multiple clips around it. What we're basically going to do is push the glass to one side so we can get our hands around the back of the glass, and then gently pull it towards us to unclip that circular clip piece. Now, you won't need any tools for this, just your hands, a bit of patience and gentle force so you don't break anything. So firstly, move the glass to one side. Once the glass is moved to one side, we're then going to gently get underneath and sort of pry towards us, and you'll hear it clicking. So now you can see the circular ring piece that connects to the motor within the wing mirror. So we've unclipped all of them just by giving it gentle force. Now, this is actually filthy behind here. You will also have connections if you've got heated wing mirrors, which this one does do, but they should just pull off. Now, I'm actually going to pull this off because I don't want to break it. I'm not replacing this. But as you can even see there, look at the bit of split between the glass and the backing, so this is actually failing itself. But for the sake of this video, we're going to leave it, put it back on, and act like we didn't see it. Now, when refitting, exactly the same process as when you're taking it off. We're just going to gently line it up and then press in the middle. Make sure it's on all the way around. And there we are. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and more importantly, I hope I helped you do this at home yourself. If you do have any questions about what you've seen in the video, please drop them in the comments section. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next one.